he looking at me. I don't want him to see my face.
Federal prosecutors in the United States have charged a man arrested on Monday with use of weapons of mass destruction after 29 people were injured in an attack on New York City. Ahmad Khan Rahami, seen here being loaded into an ambulance after a gunfight with police, is accused of planting bombs in public places in New York and New Jersey at the weekend. This footage shows how one of the devices, found near a train station in Elizabeth, New Jersey, exploded as a bomb squad robot attempted to disarm it. In all, Rahami faces 4 charges, laid out in this federal complaint, which also sheds light on his possible motivations. It says that a handwritten journal was found on the suspect that praised Osama bin Laden and accused the United States of slaughtering Islamist fighters. The federal charges come after Rahami's father revealed that he had raised concerns about his son with the FBI 2 years ago. The FBI acknowledged it had investigated Rahami in 2014, but found no ties to terrorism and dropped its inquiry.
Ignition. Lift off.
If you don't represent women in politics,